when we talk about large-scale construction projects. It requires a big team of workers to complete the project on time. Quality accommodation of workers is crucial to the success of construction projects. Most importantly for those projects which are in remote locations. In order to retain them, the employer has to arrange for better and happier living for its staff at the worksite itself. Prefab labor colonies or labor quarters are good answers to this problem. We Decor India Private Limited provide excellent labor colony solutions according to specific requirements. We keep in mind all the necessary factors required to make your laborers on-site comfortable. Our motto is to provide a safe and secure environment for your laborers to live in. Our products are also designed to meet hygienic requirements that are unfortunately not commonplace across labor accommodations in India. The K-houses we make are easy to dismantle and rebuild, which makes for enormous cost savings. For more information, contact us today.